Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create AWS RDS for MySQL 8.0.39 and connect it from MySQL Workbench and DBeaver. I have connected to my AWS console, then click on services, then search for RDS. Okay, see here we have the RDS. Click on RDS, click on DB instances or go to dashboard, click on databases. Both are same. See, I don't have any DB instances. Now click on create database. See here we have the two database creation methods, standard create and easy create. Select the standard create and select the MySQL, not the Aurora MySQL. Okay, so once we selected, see the edition is community edition, and see here the latest MySQL version is 8.0.39. select it, and templates, see here we have the production, dev or test, pre-tier. Production or dev are paid ones and pre-tier is the pre-tier eligible. Okay, and see if you select pre-tier, availability and durability are grayed out, but if you select production, see here we have the multi-AZ. AZ means availability zone, multi-AZ DB cluster, multi-AZ DB instance and single DB instance. Okay, so I'm going with pre-tier, then give the name for this MySQL AWS RDS. I'm giving MySQL RDS 8039 and this is the version. Okay, then see this is the master username. You can also use root. Okay, then credentials management, managed in AWS secret manager or self-managed. I'm going with self-managed. Then we have to provide the password for this master username. So password is invalid. It cannot contain following symbols like /, single or double quotes or @ sign. So give it without giving them. Okay, now instance configuration. We have only burstable class for the free tier, and we have DB T3 micro and DB T4Z micro. Okay, so select either of them. I'm going with DB T3 4Z micro. Then storage, by default you will get the 20 gigabytes for the free tier eligible customers, and general purpose SSD. Storage type auto scaling, I am not going to configure. And see here compute resource. If you want to connect from EC2 resource, you have to click on here. At present I don't want, so we don't have any virtual private cloud, so it will create this VPC in this region. Okay, if you want some other region, you have to select other region and you have to create this step from starting. Okay, subnet group, it is going to create new public access. Select yes if you want to connect publicly. Okay, then VPC security group, choose the existing one. If you want to create separate, you have to click on create, then you have to provide the name. Okay, I'm going with the existing one. Availability zone, I'm going with the US East one. Remaining options, like see additional configuration, this is the default port for the MySQL. Okay, that is 3306. If you want to add tags, you have to click on add new tag. Otherwise, if you want to enable enhanced monitoring, you have to select this checkbox, then you have to provide the options. At this moment I don't want additional configuration. If you want to create initial database name, let us create a database _, then enable automated backups. If you don't, uncheck it. And retention period, we have the up to 35 days. Default one is one day. Okay, I'm going with the one. Then remaining options, I'm not going to configure anything. If you want enable deletion protection, you have to check this checkbox. Okay, and the estimated monthly cost, the Amazon RDS free tier available to you for 12 months. Each calendar month a free tier will allow you to use the Amazon RDS listed below for free. Okay, see these are the free resources. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on create database. this database creation may take time. See, creating database, close this one. See, creating database, okay, and see, status is creating. This is the identifier name, and see, this is the engine name, and this is the region, this is the size, okay, this is the VPC name. If you click on it, click on here, see, status is still creating, okay. Once it is created, you will get the endpoint which is used to connect to this AWS RDS MySQL. Then it will populate the ports, okay. Let us wait until this status to be changed from creating to some other. If you want to see the credentials, you have to click on credential. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. See, successfully created, status also has been changed. Click on if you go scroll down, see here it populated the endpoint and port numbers. Let us copy this endpoint, then open MySQL Workbench. If you want to install MySQL Workbench on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. MySQL. See, I have the MySQL Workbench. Click on this plus button. Then in connection name, give MySQL AWS RDS 839. Copy this endpoint. Here in hostname column, give that port number 3306 and username is admin. Provide the password. Then click on OK. Click on test connection. This will be failed. I will show you the reason and solution. See, it has failed. So go to security group, then click on security group ID, then click on inbound rules, then click on edit inbound rules, then click on add rule, select MySQL or Aurora, then see it has selected port number as 3306, then source, give my IP or you can give any IP range, okay. Click on save rules. See, it has successfully saved. Now go back. Now click on test connection. See, successfully made MySQL connection, and this is the RDS endpoint. Username 3306 is the port number. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on this MySQL connection. See, we have created R2 schools as initial database at the time of creating AWS RDS MySQL 8.0.9. Let us verify the version. Select version, put semicolon, select the query, execute it. See output, MySQL version is 8.0.39. Okay. If you go to administration, click on users, click on users and privileges. See here we have these users. These two are the users from the AWS. Okay. If you want to create user, we have to click on add account. Let me create new user, give the name R2 admin, then provide the password. Then click on apply. So this is the wrong. Let me say. Then click on apply. See new user R2 admin. See, I have given R admin, not R2 admins. Okay. See, it is created successfully. Okay. Let me close this one. Go to schemas. Right click. Click on create schema. Create schema, create database are same. Then R2 test. Click on apply. Click on apply. Close this one. Finish. See, new database is there. So we have connected this with MySQL Workbench. Now we will see how to connect from the DBeaver. DBeaver. See, I have installed DBeaver. You can go through the link and install it. Open it. Click on this add new database connection, then select the MySQL, click on next. Here provide the, copy this endpoint, go to DBeaver, paste it, give the database name RDS, username admin, provide the password. Click on test connection. See, connected successfully. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand databases. See, here we have these databases. Right click on create new database, test DB, click on OK. See, new database there. If you go to here, right click and refresh all. See, new database is there. Okay. You can also connect to MySQL by using MySQL client from the command prompt. If you have installed MySQL client on your machine. Okay. If you are not using, click on actions, then select stop temporarily. If you want to reboot, you have to click on reboot. If you want to delete it permanently, click on delete. I strongly recommend, if you are not using this anymore, you have to click on delete. Otherwise, charges will be based on usage. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to create AWS RDS for MySQL 8.0.39. Then we have connected from MySQL Workbench and DBeaver. For more MySQL or AWS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.